So, you're thinking about investing with Raiz, but you're not sure if it's Sharia compliant? It's a great question, and one that many people have. Let's dive into it. Before we delve into Raiz, let's quickly recap what Sharia compliance means. Essentially, it's a set of Islamic principles that guide financial transactions. Sharia-compliant investments avoid activities that are considered haram or forbidden, such as interest, riba, gambling, and investments in businesses that deal with harmful products like alcohol or pork. For those who aren't familiar, Raiz is a micro-investing app that allows you to invest small amounts regularly. It's a popular choice for many, but is it Sharia-compliant? The core issue, interest. The primary challenge with many investment platforms, including traditional brokerage accounts, is the involvement of interest. Interest, as we know, is generally considered haram in Islam. Raiz approach. Raiz, like many other investment platforms, primarily invests in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs often track market indices, which can include companies that may not be Sharia compliant due to their business activities or revenue streams. The role of Sharia-screened ETFs. To address this, some investors opt for Sharia-screened ETFs. These ETFs are specifically designed to exclude companies that don't align with Islamic principles. While Raiz doesn't offer a direct Sharia-compliant portfolio, it's possible to manually invest in Sharia-screened ETFs through the platform. The importance of due diligence. If you're considering investing with Raiz, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and due diligence. You can consult with a Sharia scholar. A qualified Sharia scholar can provide guidance on the specific investments you're considering and help you make informed decisions. Utilize Sharia screening tools. There are various online tools and apps that can help you screen investments for Sharia compliance. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it continues to align with your Sharia principles. While Raiz offers a convenient way to start investing, it's important to be aware of the potential challenges related to Sharia compliance. By carefully selecting Sharia-screened ETFs and consulting with a Sharia scholar, you can make informed investment decisions that align with your Islamic beliefs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.